Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to cover this vitiligo patch with the skin color permanent ink. So as we all know, this is the only best solution to get your skin color back, and we are expert in that. Not every artist or other professionals could be able to do this. It requires the highly skill to match the exact skin tone of your color. And all our inks are organic inks, and you no need to worry at all anything about the infections or spreading. Many of them having this doubts like, will this going to be expand or will this going to be infected more? No, it's not going to be happen in that way. It will give you the more smooth look, and it's completely safe. You no need to worry at all. Now in the video you can see the tattoo might be, that place might be looking little reddish. That's because of we are doing it and the treatment, but once got healed it will be looks like exact as the skin tone. That is the speciality of it. So as I said you earlier, this is the least maintenance one. You no need to maintain much and it will be there for your lifelong. And we always recommend you to go ahead with the patch test first. Yes, if your patch test comes successful, then you can go ahead with the other places in your body. Because when we do the patch test, we can get to know whether your melanin is active or not. It can be able to accept the inks or not. So in that way, we can get to know. So that's why we recommend all our clients to go ahead with the patch test. We are doing the patch test here. And this client's got a very beautiful output. Now you can see it's almost matched the exact skin tone. There is no much bleeding also. Thanks for watching it. Don't die nude.